Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 7 that is stuck on the lock screen. In some cases, you may get stuck on the lock screen and your iPhone 7 won't read the touch of fingers. This issue may occur when you try to wake up the iPhone 7 from sleep mode and after restarting the device. You'll be troubled a lot as it prevents you from accessing the phone as usual. When it comes to why your iPhone 7 won't go past the lock screen, it could result from a system bug, the boot-up glitches, stuck external peripherals, outdated software and so on. To unfreeze the iPhone 7 lock screen, follow all the steps in the given order below. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Method 1. Do a simple force restart. When iPhone 7 keeps freezing on the lock screen, you may have tried to restart the phone but find it won't turn off. Maybe the screen is unresponsive and won't let you swipe the power off slider. Perhaps the screen is stuck without showing anything when you press the power off button. Whatever, performing a forced reboot helps fix these scenarios to unfreeze the stuck lock screen on iPhone 7 without touching the display. To do that, press and hold the volume down and sleep/wake buttons simultaneously until the screen goes black, then the Apple logo appears. This sometimes can take up to 20 seconds. After it boots up, swipe the lock screen to unlock the phone. If everything goes well, you should now resolve the frozen lock screen issue. Method 2. Remove external peripherals. Incompatible devices connected to or worn on your iPhone 7 may cause the frozen lock screen issues. To troubleshoot this, try unplugging all the external accessories from your device like cable, headphone, external speaker, and so on. You'll also need to disconnect all the Bluetooth accessories. Meanwhile, if your iPhone 7 has any phone case or screen protector, remove all of them. After that, force reboot the phone again to see if you manage to stop iPhone 7 from being stuck on lock screen and enter the passcode to unlock. Method 3. Download and install the latest iOS into your iPhone 7. The frozen lock screen could be the result of system lag and slowdowns. One common reason is that the phone is running an older system version. To see if your iPhone 7 is stuck on the lock screen due to outdated software, try to upgrade iOS. Software updates can bring performance improvements and bug repair fixes. To do that, using a computer can help update your phone's OS without requiring you to touch the display. Alright, now open a computer and install iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you are using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, launch Finder instead. Connect your device to the computer with a cable and then let it enter recovery mode. This step aims to let the computer and program detect your phone without needing to unlock or tap anything on the phone. Hold both the power key and volume down key together for a few seconds until the screen turns black, shows the Apple logo and then pops up a restore screen. The restore screen will be shown as a laptop, a cable and a link. Head to the computer while leaving the phone attached to the computer. From the window of the application you've opened, click the update option from the popping up dialog box. Finish all the following prompts until the update process begins. This could take 1 hour or longer, so wait patiently. Let us know in the description below if you have any question about this. When all is done and your iPhone 7 boots up, unlock to see if you pass the frozen lock screen that's stuck on the device. Method 4. Delete everything and factory reset iPhone 7. Deleting everything and doing a factory reset can help you revert the device to its original state without the lock screen freezing issue. If you have created a backup of your phone's data and files before the lock screen gets stuck, you can try this way to get the phone out. It's still needed to use a computer and put your phone into recovery mode to perform a factory reset. Once you're ready, try these steps. Plug your iPhone 7 into the computer's USB port and fire up iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. Then, hold both power and volume down keys together until your iPhone 7 enters recovery mode like this. Next, go to the computer to click the restore button from the programs window. Complete the following instructions until the restore process is started. Same as doing an update, the restore process will also take 1 hour or longer to end. Remember to test if you get past iPhone 7 frozen lock screen after the reset. That's all for how to fix iPhone 7 stuck on lock screen. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.